how to register a receipt on the new machine. Enter inside, we select all the motors. In this case, we're gonna select a receipt for the granite, for example. We're gonna do also the water drip. Okay. We can adjust also the pressure on the motors. Okay. The pressure is set in this case at 3.9. We can set head by head or all the heads. Okay. Once the receipt is set, we finalize it and we enter the name and we save with the OK. Now granite is set, and when we recall the receipt, we see that all the heads we selected are ready to work, and also all the pressure for each head it's ready to work.